given the go to open that Node 2 forward hatch. Again, he opened it a little bit earlier today to allow some of the station air to mix into the pressurized mating adapter. There it is. Now again, there's a few more hatches to open until we are able to welcome Bob and Doug aboard the International Space Station. You're looking through the hatch into the pressurized mating adapter. There's another hatch down there through the pressurized mating adapter that opens up to the International Docking Adapter. This is Mission Control Houston. Chris Cassidy opens the hatch to the International Docking Adapter, 11:37 a.m. Central Time. Station and Dragon flying together, 267 statute miles over the South Pacific. This is a view from the camera at the forward end of Dragon.
20 minutes until Dragon hatch opened, and the APAS hatch was just opened.
There's the hatch to the Crew Dragon. Seeing Doug Hurley through the glass on the other side. And there's Bob Bnken. And with that, the hatch is open, 12:02 p.m. Central Time, 1:02 p.m. Eastern. Bob Bnken and Doug Hurley open the hatch to the International Space Station after launching from American soil on a U.S. vehicle for the first time in 9 years, the first time ever for a commercially built spacecraft.
And with that, Endeavour, welcome to the International Space Station. Please come aboard.
We have Bob Bnken from SpaceX Demo 2 mission entering the International Space Station. Followed by Doug Hurley.